Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today we are going to report attendance here, and then we're going to our actividad inicial. Let's go to this photo, and the question is, ¿qué bebes en el desayuno? And you're going to respond in a complete answer saying, yo bebo, and whatever you choose. Okay, that's your first question, your warm-up, actividad inicial. Then you're going to complete these activities. For these activities, you have 3A-3 and 3A-5. And then there is a part of the activity 3A-5 that you have to submit right here. Let's see it. For activity 3A-3, that is this one, you are going to complete with whatever goes here. For example, it's asking you, ¿tú comes salchichas? And then you're going to answer no and complete with it. Look at this. And this is a comma, so I wouldn't put a capital. But you see this is a period, so there's a capital initial. That's something you don't have to put a period at the end because the period is right there. So you're going to answer if it's a comma with a lowercase, and if it's a period with a capital. But you are going to complete. So there's different kind of questions. If you have questions during class, just let me know. Just answer your questions, submit your answers, and if you see that you made some mistakes and you have questions, ask me. That you always can go back and edit. Okay, so that's the first part. Now for this actividad 3A-5, you're going to fill in the chart. You're familiar with this chart. You did one similar for AR verbs. In this case, you're going to do one for ER verbs and IR verbs. So the instructions is right here. Instruction says make your own copy of this chart. You go right here to File, make a copy. Please name your copy with your own name. I made out a name. So you make your copy with your name. So when I receive it, your name is going to be right here. Yeah, I learned that from last time because I didn't know whose form was which. And then you're going to respond right here on your copy. You can use a different color. Just choose a different color. Or you can use a highlighter right here. So you write the word with the whatever color, and then you highlight it. So we can distinguish which ones are the answers and which ones are the ones that I put there. Okay. You're going to complete this, and once you complete that, you go back to your form, and it says, now using the verbs from part A, that means this that you just made, you're going to write the missing verb to complete each sentence below. So you have 5 different verbs in that tabla, chart. So it's comer, beber, comprender, escribir, and compartir. You have the meanings of these words in your vocabulary. So what you need to do is find which of those 5 verbs fits better the sentence. For this sentence, for example, and then you are going to write it. Now, can I write compartir? No. You have to choose the verb, and I put a random verb. This is not the answer for this question. But you have to find the verb, then you're going to drop the ending, and according to this subject that you have right here, you're going to put the right ending. Okay? So you cannot put the verbs ending in ER or IR. You have to change the ending to the corresponding form of the verb. And, okay, you complete those. There are 12 of this, and then you submit. If you submit and your grade is not what you expected, and you go and look at your answers and you think it's right and you mark it wrong, ask me questions, and we will go over it. And the last one is a video activity. I put a video there, and you're going to watch the video and answer. You have I think six questions, 6 or 7 questions, I can't remember. So you answer your questions, and meaning that the only thing that you're submitting today is you're gonna type the answer in the photo, and then you're gonna submit your chart. This has to be submitted, this link. Oh, do not forget to click this, because if I cannot grade it, if I cannot see it, I cannot grade it. Just change this. Union County Public Schools. Click that. Oh, I forgot to copy the link. And you copy the link, and you submit this link right here where it says a website URL. All right, so that's what we're doing today. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you during class. Adios.